Hey everybody, Vinny here. Today we're going to be playing a game called Pager, which is a monotone 3D type game set in the 90s where you have to check your pager. And if you don't know what a pager is, it's something that people used to be able to call you on, and you would get a message to call them back. So, with that little history lesson out of the way, let's get into it. Okay. Oh, an interesting art design. Oh, got a message from Welk. Okay. Yes. Oh, how do I pull the... Can I pull it back up? Okay, that's the menu. Alright, well, let's keep moving. Ah, the first message wasn't complete. Welcome to your new job. We are glad to have you on board. Great. I'm actually not 100% sure what my job is. I guess we'll find out soon. Look at that little camera. Oh, it's following me. Look at that. A little attention to detail. I like that. Message 3. Follow the instructions carefully. Toggle your pager with Q. Press P to pause. Alright, so Q toggles pager. Alright, P and escape both bring up the menu. Alright, let's keep moving. Okay. Looks like we're in an office of sorts. God, wow, that's an old computer. Well, I do have a pager, so this is set in the 90s, so it does make sense. Ooh, butterfly. That's cool. Another butterfly. Why are there so many butterflies around in this office? It's interesting. Okay, so type. Type. I will do my best. I will do my best. Okie dokie. So I guess we're gonna do our best now. Let's move on. Okay. Follow the instructions carefully. Please proceed to the next floor. Good luck. Well, thank you. Some of this surrealist paintings going on here. Okay. Into the elevator. I feel like that door didn't open quite as far as it should have. Okay, and we are in a long hallway. Oh, that was weird. The textures kind of wig out on the corners when you... Okay, we got some locked doors. Liminal space. Follow the corridor to the right. Nope, we're going left. Sorry, bud. Okay, these are all locked too. Oh. Okay. What the heck? Oh. Am I in a fish pond? What is going on here? Weird. Oh, that was... ooh. There is no such thing as failure, only opportunities for growth. Well, that's ominous with the red. Oh, okay, then it brings me back to the beginning. It did not like that. Gotcha. Is it the same? Okay, go to the right. Let's go to the left one more time. Ah. Any other doors we can open? Same door? Yeah, same door, okay. You failed miserably. Oh, okay. Fine. Yeah, I know. Go to the right. Going left again. Sorry, bud. What we got this time? Ah, okay. So it looks like it circles around. Doesn't give us any different dialogue this time. Yeah, I know. Follow to the right. Getting some Stanley Parable vibes to this game so far. Maybe I took the wrong path. I was... Wait. But it said right. And I went left a bunch of times and it was wrong. Oh my god. Okay. What are you guys looking at me for, huh? I don't like it. I don't like... Oh, jeez. Wiggle my eyes out a little bit there. Goodness. Okay, I guess... They actually want me to go this way now? Alright, all these doors are still locked. This one opens. Fishies! The fish. Proceed to the next floor. Please be more careful next time. FYI, you smell terrible. Wow! That's messed up. How do you know how I smell? I mean, it is 3 a.m. and I am playing a random horror game. So, you might be right. Please deliver a box to room 1. You must carry a box before entering any room. Okay, so it wants me to deliver a box to room 1, and I have to carry a box before entering any room? Okay, how do I pick up the box? I take the box, got the box. How do I put it down? I can't put it back down. Okie dokie. Okay. Room 1. Room 2. Room 2. Yeah. Alright, not gonna say anything about me entering the wrong room. Let's see how it is. I'm gonna drop the box there. Another butterfly. What up, butterfly? Now, it did say that it wanted me to carry a box whenever I enter a room, so if I enter this, well done, continue to the next floor. Okie dokie. Thought I was trying to trick me. Wait, what? Well, I have failed? Try again? Oh, okay. Oh, it was trying to trick me, wasn't it? Okay, so... Deliver box room 1. Okay, so... If I go into room 2... And just walk in... You have failed. Please try again. Okie dokie. So... Go in, yeah, deliver box room 1. Take the box. Room 1. Drop the box. Well done, continue to the next floor. Okay. Now I don't have... Oh, here's another box. Take this box, open this door, go in here, and puzzle solved. Very nice. Oh, okay. That is a very large spiral staircase with a creepy man walking up and down. It's funny too, I was about to say this doesn't feel much like a horror game yet, but hey. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Take the coffee to the room at the end of the corridor. Okay. What? Oh, that's weird. What? Where's the coffee? There's coffee? Coffee. Coffee. Where's the coffee? Is it around over here? Okay, I'm just walking in circles right now. I would kill for a great cup of joe. Yeah, I could use... Coffee sounds nice. I don't... Where's the coffee? Wait. I don't... Something's going on here. I don't like it. So let's ride the insides of the wall, see if I fall in. That is a different door. Oh, I don't have the coffee though. Where's the coffee? Okay, there's a single chair. I don't like the way that feels. There's a box in the corner over here. Okay. Do you have the coffee? Where's the coffee? Coffee. Okay, there's chair. Coffee? Coffee. Interesting. Oh. Coffee. Very nice. So I guess now I go back. So I guess these hallways are slanted as to be going up and down. Oh, okay. Did you drink the coffee? What was that? That was slightly unnerving. So let's see here. That was great. Next floor. Oh, okay. Do I go back to the coffee end? Did it change? Or do I go back to the elevator at the beginning? I don't know. Alright, this is the coffee again. Okay, no way out over here. Guess I'll go all the way back to the beginning then. Interesting. Why is there a guy walking in that spiral staircase in the middle? Very, very strange. Definitely something unnerving about this. And the elevator. And on to floor 4. Okay. Oh, I thought I was... Ha! They got me. Thought I was waiting for something. Oh, jeez. Strange. There are no doors in this room. I will check the floor plan and get back to you. Oh, well, thanks, I guess. It looks like stars and 3 clocks. Thought it was a loading screen. Oh, a chair. With candles or soda cans around it? I can't really tell. Looks like soda cans, I would say. Okay. Hello? 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 Yeah. Okay. I'll sit and stare at the wall. The wall for a bit. See what is going on here. Time keeps on ticking into the future. Okay. Anything? Hello? Did I break the game? Whoa. Oh, the walls were fake? Yo. That scared me. What? Okay. Yeah, that one got me. Was not expecting to walk through the wall. I'm worried about this floor. This floor is designed to test your patience, and you did not succeed. Expect appropriate penalties. What? Okay. Floor 5? Floor 5. Oh. Okay. Oh, come on, really? This is what you're gonna do to me? Turn the static off. No. He drinks a lot of coffee and soda. There's a lot of books, maybe? Videotapes? I don't know. Regardless. That's okay. This opens up straight into what looks like a road, I guess. Be sure to follow each movement instruction very carefully. Okie dokie. Start running? Okay. How? I don't... What do you mean? Jump. I don't have a jump key, though. Crouch? What? Watch out for the car! No. What? Your agility is quite poor, which is exactly what we anticipated. Please proceed. Hey, that's not fair. You didn't give me any other action buttons to use. Can I get behind it? No? Okay. And for the record, I was attempting to press buttons when it told me to do stuff. Okay, in another office area. Some computers. Would you recommend this job to others? Yes. Exclamation point. I would. Please rate your experience. 5 out of 5? Oh, yeah. I like butterflies. Well, that's pretty obvious since there has been so many butterflies chilling around. That's for sure. What do we got here? Hi. Oh, no, keyboard on you. Well, hello. There is a colleague in the next room. He will guide you to the next floor. Okay, I don't know if I like the way that sounds. It's ominous. Okay, that's a noise. There's a colleague in the next room. Okay, yeah, that's... Where's that noise coming from? It's coming from back here somewhere. Can I get to it? I don't think I can get to it. It's like... Close it on? No? Okay. Anyway. Moving on. Okay. Butterfly. Strange man ran away from me. I guess, you follow him. There's that noise again. Well, that was odd. Okay. On to the next floor. This one is easy. This one is easy. Find the box and take it to the next floor within 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Is there a timer? One more thing. When you encounter a man-made fish, adhere to a trajectory that is the precise antithesis of what? The vector indicated by the orientation and alignment of its positioning. The timer starts now. You have 5 minutes. Oh, God. I don't like the way this sounds at all. Where's my box? Where's the box? And the man-made fish. Where's the man-made fish? Box, box, box. Fish, fish, fish. Oh, no. I don't like this. Don't like it at all. Yell at me in the comments if you see the box and I don't. What's that? Wait, hold on. What did it want me to do? Okay, so one more thing. When you encounter a man-made fish, adhere to a trajectory that is the precise antithesis of the vector indicated by the orientation and alignment of its positioning. So that means I would go this way then? Perhaps? Because antithesis is the opposite. Oh, look, there's the box. Nice. Oh, okay. Oh, Jesus. What are we in the cube? Goodness. Definitely giving me cube vibes. Okay. Those are a stack of TVs with frightening looking eyeballs. Someone left their gun on the coffee table. You know what to do with it. Do I? Do I know what to do with it? Did this just turn into an FPS? Take the gun. Shoot the gun at the TVs or not. Okay. What? What? I know what to do. I do not know what to do. I'm not going to do anything. I think I'm going to take the gun with me. I'm actually probably supposed to throw the gun out. So in that case, shoot. OMG, what are you doing? We don't kill on this floor. Just find the bin and get rid of it. Oh, okay. Fine. Please, move on to the next floor. Okay. It's funny how they wouldn't let me do it and didn't just, let me do it and then fail. I'm not sure which is, would have been funnier. I feel like letting me do it and then having me fail because of it may have been funnier, but I don't know. Hi, I'm Bilge. I want to thank you for playing this far. Oh, no problem. There's grass textures in your office now. This is the final floor of the demo. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's been pretty fun so far. If you did, please add the game to your Steam wishlist. It will help me make the game bigger and better. Not a problem, bud. I'll be happy to play it again once it's more complete. I promise I will wishlist the game. No problem. Thank you for your Thank you for your auto-generated text for that computer. It is much appreciated. The chair room. Whoa. Floating chairs. So creepy. Okay. 0. Oh. What did that do? Oh, did that bring me back to the first room? That is not what I wanted to do. Okay, so these just all bring me back to the previous floors that I was on. And then I'm assuming this is the end. Draw. Gun. Falling over chair. Type. Looking for more? Yes. Oh. Well, that butterfly kind of scared me. What's this? Oh, no. Is there a game in the game? Oh, of course there is. Oh my god, Flappy Bird. This is actually way harder than I was anticipating it being. Okay, enough of that. Catch. Yeah, got him. Draw. Oh, I can erase too? Very interesting. Oh, who are you? Where'd you come from? Heart. Oh, what is going on? Why is... Weird. Erase. Huh. Draw a rocket. What do you think of my rocket, bud? You like that? Yeah, you like that? See if I can see how much of this I can get drawn on. Oh. Yeah, you are mostly red now. Interesting. Oh, give me a few minutes. I'm gonna mess around here. Okay, well, red man. I don't think I have the patience for this. Let's see, is there anything else in the chair room? Is it just floating chairs in the chair room? Okay. Okay, well, it looks like that's all of the content for now. I promise I will wishlist the game. Yeah, no problem. Well, anyway, that was the game Pager. It was a demo. Quite enjoyed it. It was similar to like Stanley Parable, sort of. A lot of liminal space stuff going on. I got like vibes of like the movie The Cube. But overall, it was fun. Nice little short game. Definitely interested to see where it goes from here. So, as always, be safe out there.